good, BF fam? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, we're going to do one of my favorite sandwiches. We're going to do a pastrami and turkey on rye. It's going to be the best sandwich you've ever had, I guarantee you. Better than Katz, better than any deli sandwich you've ever been to. But hey guys, if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with pastrami and turkey on rye. Guys, the supporting cast, very simple, very easy. And I'm cheating a little bit because I didn't make my own pastrami, but hey, if you feel like you want to do that, be my guest. So today, I actually got 2 pounds of pastrami, but this is 1 pound of pastrami just cut very, very thin from the deli. And then I got some shaved ham, and I got it shaved for a reason. I like to have that texture on my sandwich. Then I got some Munster cheese and some provolone cheese, depending on which one you like. You can use whatever cheese you want to, that's up to you. And then I got some onions here, about a half of an onion that I've cut up. I got some yellow mustard, some pickles. I like bread and butter pickles. You can use your classic dill if you want to. Got some rye bread, some marble rye bread, and a little bit of butter. So guys, this is all the ingredients. I'm going to take you over to the flat top, my Steelmadeusa griddle. I'll tell you a little bit more about that here in just a second. But hey guys, let's get started putting this together. Alright, so we're over here at the Steelmadeusa griddle. A little bit about the griddle before I get started. This is a griddle that fits on your stovetop. It turns your stovetop into a flat top in a matter of seconds. So it's a great tool. I love it. I've had it for about almost 2 years now, I think. And I use it all the time. So if you want one of these, it's very simple. You just go click on the first link in my description. It'll take you to their website. If you use the number 5 Big Tone as your checkout code, you will get 10% off. So keep that in mind. Go get one. It'll help. It'll benefit all of us. It'll help me. It'll help Steelmade, and it'll help you. So hey guys, let's get started with this. First thing I want to do, throw my onions on. We're gonna get those caramelized and nice and soft for the sandwich. We're just gonna let those cook. Guys, the onions are toasting up nicely here and getting nice and caramelized. It's gonna take them a little bit longer. But in the meantime, we're going to take my pastrami, and I'm using an insanely amount of pastrami on this sandwich for the reasons of I like a big sandwich. If you've ever been to Katz Deli in New York, you know what I mean. So, and I got my pastrami sliced so thin you can almost see through it. Look how thin that is. And we're just going to throw them on the grill, individual slices. And we're just going to get this warm. It's already cooked, obviously. Yes, you got it right. This is just one sandwich. Alright, and I'm going to put my turkey over here. This is just oven roasted turkey that I got shaved. We're just going to put that over here just to get it warm a little bit. Man, if you could smell this, you'd swear you was in a classic Jewish deli in New York. Alright, so while the onions are going and the pastrami and the turkey's going, I'm going to toast off my bread here. Over here on the other side of the griddle, I got my marble bread here, and I'm just going to toast this off. Let me put down a little bit of butter here first. And we're just going to toast those off until they get nice and crisp there. Alright, so we're just going to let this stuff continue to cook here, and I'll be back in just a second. One of the things that I truly love about the Steelmadeusa griddle is the fact that you have hot and cold zones and warm zones that you can utilize, and you can change the temperature yourself. So what I've done, I still got my pastrami here on this, over this one eye, which has gotten good heat to it, but I put my turkey in the middle just to keep it warm, right there. And I'm going to slide my pastrami over to the middle as well, because it's hot, it's done. And I got my onions up here, they just need another 2-3 minutes and they'll be good. And I got my bread over here toasting away, and I'm going to flip this over. Ah, yeah, it's nice and toasted on one side. Let's get the other side done, and then we'll start assembling the sandwich. But alright guys, so I got my meat here the way I want it stacked up for the sandwich. I have added a combination of provolone and Munster cheese there, the flavors I like. You can use whatever you want. So I like to do it this way and melt the cheese first. Then I'm going to put my lid on it. Throw a little bit of water around it, just to start getting some steam there, so we can melt that cheese a little bit. And then we'll start assembling the sandwich. We'll put the onions on it. We'll be good to go. Oh my God, look at that. I don't know if you get much better than that. Oh my God. So I got my piece of bread here. We're going to take the sandwich, the meat, and we're just going to place it right on top of the bread. And while we're over here at the griddle, just going to go ahead and throw my onions on top just like that. Woo-hoo! Boy, that looks good. Smells even better. I'm going to take that and throw it on my plate. And we're going to go over to the counter and dress it with our mustard and our pickles and such. Guys, so I got my sandwich over here. I'm going to dress this with a little bit of just yellow French mustard, or sorry, just yellow French's mustard. Nothing big. And I'm putting it on the bread. You can put it on the sandwich if you like. This is my choice. And like I said, I like the bread and butter pickles. You can use the classic deal if you like. This is my choice. Stick a couple of those on there. And we're just going to place the lid on just like that. Look at that sandwich. Oh my God. You don't have to go to New York to get a good deli sandwich. You just don't have to. So let me get this plated up for you and we'll get it done. Alright guys, I'm going to say it again. You don't have to go to Katz or any fancy deli to get a nice sandwich. You can do it right at home. And you know what I'm looking for. I'm waiting for that bite. So give me a second. Let me get that. Classic pastrami and turkey on rye sandwich. Not from the deli, made right here at home. Guys, let me get my bite. I'm sorry, I had a little come to Jesus movement with the sandwich. Hey guys, this is phenomenal. You don't need a flat top grill. Although if you want one, just click on my link in the description. You'll get one and get 10% off. It's a great product. But hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.